Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing Edge Wallet, which is a mobile cryptocurrency wallet that's been around for years. So if you are considering using Edge Wallet in 2025, this video will cover its features, security, and whether it is the right choice for you. So without further delay, let's dive in. So the Edge Wallet is a non-custodial mobile wallet that is designed for managing various cryptocurrencies. It offers a user-friendly interface and robust security features, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. If I talk about its features, so the Edge Wallet supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Dash, Dogecoin, and more. This allows users to manage multiple assets with a single application. The wallet features an integrated exchange, enabling users to swap between different cryptocurrencies directly within the application. This seamless exchange functionality enhances the user experience. The Edge Wallet employs the client-side encryption, ensuring that all the data is encrypted on your device before it reaches their servers. This approach enhances privacy and security. The wallet offers the automatic backup, allowing users to restore their assets on a new device using just a username and password. This feature simplifies the recovery process in case of the device loss or failure. Edge Wallet is available in both iOS and Android platforms, providing you the flexibility for the users to manage their assets across the different devices. So in a nutshell, if I talk about the pros and cons of the Edge Wallet, first, if I talk about the pros, you can manage various cryptocurrencies over here all in one place. You can swap assets directly within the application. It provides the client-side encryption and automatic backups, and it is available for both iOS and Android devices. However, if I talk about its cons, so there is no desktop application available and it doesn't support all the cryptocurrencies. So if you want me to create a detailed tutorial on how you can get started with it, how to send deposit cryptocurrencies, so you can let me know that in the comment section below, and I will create a detailed tutorial on this topic as well. So in my final thoughts, I would like to say that Edge Wallet is a solid choice for those users who are seeking a mobile wallet with multi-currency support, integrated exchange features, and strong security measures. So if user-friendly interface and cross-platform availability make it accessible for a wide range of users. However, if you require a desktop application or support for a broader range of cryptocurrencies, you might need to consider other options. And for other options, you can check out my channel because I have created a series of videos on explaining you different types of wallets. So you can just check out the playlist on my channel. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.